Tyler from DC Power Products, guys. We've got Cayman from S&B in the house today. Thank you so much for coming out, Cayman. Today, we've got the body mounts for the OBS Ford, guys. Do you have a 7.3 OBS? You're gonna wanna hear about these. Cayman, tell me about these.
Yeah, so about 6 years ago, we started working on developing our body mounts. Really, our dealers just let us know that they were having an issue with the OEM and aftermarket body mounts. The OEMs were collapsing and failing, and there wasn't a good solution on the market for a body mount that rides like the truck did when it came from the factory. So we've been making silicone in-house for about 15 years. All of our couplers and filters are made out of silicone because they do really well with the heat. They do really well with resisting ozone and weather, and they last the lifetime, a long, long time. So this is our kit for the OBS. A little breakdown. These are removal tools to get your OEM rusted together body mounts out and apart. Then this is rows 1 and 2 and rows 3. The kit also includes some shims for the bed mounts to really get your body lines looking perfect on your OBS, because we know how important that is on an OBS. These are all OEM grade hardware. This is part of the removal tool, but just a complete set. Comes with everything you need to do your body mounts. We really think it's the best kit on the market.
He explained it perfectly, guys. I don't have to say anything else. You guys have been trusting S&B for years and years and years. You know you're gonna get a quality product every time when you see that S&B logo. If you guys are looking for body mounts for your OBS Ford, hit the link in the description or visit DCPowerProducts.com. Thanks for coming out, Cayman.
Thank you.